Hello, and thank you for joining me on my video series. My name is Devin Olson, and today's video, this video series is installing and configuring IBM Lotus Traveler on IBM Lotus Domino on CentOS 6. I'm Devin Olson. Now, going back to the other folder, the install folder. Here's the Domino directory. Now, it's a tar file, which is a type of compressed archive. And what I need to do before I can extract it, I need to verify that the files are in fact correct within this. And so it's the command for this within the Linux environment is tar. And I'm going to give it some parameters. And the parameters here I'm going to give it are -tvf. And basically, this is going to tell it I want you to examine and test this. This file, Lotus _Domino 852 _XLINUX _en.tar, and it's going to go ahead and examine it. And because I got no errors, it worked. And so I'm now going to press my up arrow on my keyboard, and that brings back the previous command. That's something that's been in Linux forever. It was introduced into Windows back around, I think, Windows 98 is when that first showed up. I could be wrong, but it's kind of nice. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change this -tvf to -xvf, T being test and X being extract. So I'm going to go ahead and extract this tar, and it's going to take a few minutes to extract out all the files. And there we go. So now if I do an ls, you'll see I've got a subfolder, and I can go there, and I can go there, and so etc., etc. So now I'm going to do let's see, boom. That's where am I at? Okay, ls. I'm in Domino. I want to change to my Traveler, and I want to do exactly the same thing. Tar -tvf notes Traveler, Traveler 85231 F1 _LIINUX, because there's a typo there, ml.tar, and let's go ahead and, so it's fine there. I'm going to do the same thing. Let's go ahead and extract this out. There we go, and it's done. It's got all these wonderful things in place. So now I have my executable files that I need in order to install Domino, and I have the directory wherein I'm going to install Domino. I have one more thing left to do before installing Domino, and that is I need to install a user. Let me see if I can explain this. In a Windows operating system, I can set up services that run as part of the OS core. They kind of run under the admin ID and kind of not. It's a weird, freaky Windows kind of thing. In Linux, everything has an owner, and ultimately the raw base owner would be root. I don't want to run anything under root, so every file, every executable, every directory has to run under the context of a specific user. And in this case, I want my notes in Domino to run under the context of a user, and that user is going to be my notes user. So without further ado, let's go back to root, just because I like to be in there. We're going to go ahead and create what I need for my user. Okay.